Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Airtable for calendar views and sync easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Airtable website. Look for the sign up button on the homepage. Click on the sign up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on Get Started. Check your email for a verification link from Airtable. Open the email and click on the verification link. This will redirect you back to the Airtable website. Now, create a password for your account. After setting your password, click on Create Account. Once your account is created, you will be taken to your Airtable dashboard. To create a new base, click on the Add a Base button. You can either choose to start from scratch or use a template. If starting from scratch, select Start from Scratch. Now, you will be taken to your new base. To create a calendar view, click on the View menu in the top left corner. From the drop-down, select Calendar. You will now see a blank calendar view. To start adding data, create a new table by clicking on the Table 1 tab. Add relevant fields such as date, event name, and details. Input your data in the rows under each corresponding field. To link this calendar view to a specific date, ensure your date field is filled out. You can now see events displayed on your calendar. To sync your Airtable calendar with other apps, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Select Sync from the sharing options. Follow the prompts to connect your calendar with your desired application. Confirm the syncing settings as required. Review your calendar to ensure everything syncs correctly. Your Airtable calendar view is now set up and synced successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.